Hello everyone, welcome back to Giant Blogs 24. Please, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like our video, comment your thoughts and share. Thank you. So in this video, the Prophet Telvin Sowell made a profound sermon. He made a profound statement about so many things, and which one include, he said that you cannot be black and be broke. He made a profound statement and a revelation about how the black race is about to control the world once again, as we used to do in the ages of Mansa Musa, in the far back ages. He said the Lord is about to shift, the world and everything to the black race. And in this video he made so many revelations about the country Ghana, and also so many revelations about so many countries like South Africa. And he made a prophetic warning to the people of South Africa concerning how they are about to lose their nation to foreigners. And he saw them moving to a country. And I would like each and every one of you to watch this video to the end, so that you gain an understanding. Thank you.
Today you will learn something simple. And wherever you are watching me, so far as you are black, understand one important thing: that your destiny is not even ordinary. Listen to me very carefully. The kind of things they have to edit for you to think the way you are thinking is not a joke. Yeah. You are the first civilization. Arabs cannot talk to you anyhow. English people cannot talk to you anyhow. You were here before all of them came. Your civilization began. They were your servants. Now the table has turned, but it will turn again.
Amen. Exactly, I believe it.
It will turn.
I believe in my Father.
Sit down. I saw in a revelation, I said, I saw refugees. I saw some people's countries submerged underwater.
Jesus.
And they were running for help here. Like their skyscrapers were underwater. And God said, don't worry. The time of the black man is coming. And then wait, cool down. And I went to check the Ballon d'Or, and I said it was a black man. And I went to check every corner, every award, every scheme, every angle, every financial capacity. It is like we discovered our roots. Something is about to happen.
Amen. I believe it. Oh, I believe
now,
it. My Father.
Somebody say, go back to your country. Do you know that I saw a vision? But you know me, I only speak on radio once in 2 weeks and sometimes 1 month.
Exactly.
So if I can see something, will be there. People are speaking 1 month, 2 months. I've not even gone to the radio station. So when somebody sees a short video of me, they're like, oh, it's on radio. No, they are doing clip farming.
Exactly.
So I have visions to drop.
Amen.
And some of the visions, I said, South Africa will be hosted in Morocco. I said, I saw black people, South African people, with bags migrating from South Africa to Morocco to become servants. Yes, hold on, let me explain to you. Don't clap, it's serious matter.
Exactly.
It's serious matter.
Oh, Jesus.
When I saw that, they said that, I was like, this body are fighting again, but is it not they that are going to somebody's country for refugee help? So why are they fighting us again? I realized that catalysts are coming together.
Oh, Jesus.
Maybe I'm going to prepare in the trade there.
Exactly, my Father.
Sit down.
Oh, Jesus.
Now listen.
Blow my Father.
These people are kicking people out of the country. Like, go. And I'm like, if they know cantilever. If you know the things going on in the realm.
Jesus.
Like any country on the face of the earth, you see how the Europeans are smart. They are making friends with Ghana. I said, listen to me, ladies and gentlemen. I am about to show you some mystery in the realms. If that mystery, nobody will steal it. I said the kind of thing that they are going to discover in this Ghana here, it is worth more than 19 trillion.
Wow.
Trillion. Hold on, let me finish talking. Nyabotre, Asemba Nyabotre.
Oh, Papa.
Asemba Nyabotre.
Sabe Pepe.
Trillions.
Oh, Jesus.
It's not easy. Trillions are about to be discovered. Tell people, listen, if you are somewhere enslaving yourself, wasting your energy, I said, don't waste your time. You will go out of the country, you will see black people, they are cleaning toilets, they are cleaning all sorts of things. And I'm like, why will you leave your heritage to go and become somebody's cleaner? And sometimes their pay is even $300. So when that people meet another black person, they think you are just like the other person that has come to disgrace themselves there. Yes. So when they meet you, they value. That's why I say you can't be black and poor.
Jesus.
Because sometimes, listen, we went to a place, we were trying to buy something. There is this person that was trying to sell something to us, and the person is doing as if we cannot afford it some way. Nigga only can't deliver.
Exactly, my father.
Hey. English I get you.
And the quality.
I get you English.
Exactly.
You know can't deliver. And the person was, that way there, as if, you have seen our kind. They clean toilet here. They sweep the floor here. They are nobody. They are begging for job and everything.
Exactly.
And then I was just standing there. So it was time to show this thing. And then they said that they should remove, maybe we should scan with the boarding pass. So they were going to remove their boarding pass. I said, no, hold on.
My God.
I want to show her my boarding pass. So I removed my boarding pass and then I gave it to her. You know that she had to call somebody else to check the boarding pass because she has not seen some before.
Oh, Jesus.
It's not your ordinary boarding pass. No, there's boarding pass, then there are boarding pass.
Exactly, sir.
Chill. Somebody does not still understand.
My father.
And everybody sitting in business class, but there are some boarding pass. If you see it, you won't understand why is his own different in color. A realm. If we don't explain to you, you don't understand.
Amen. Don't put your hands together. For Jesus.
They saw the thing, call another person to come and verify, look at the thing well. Because he has not seen some before. Amen. All of a sudden, the other guy came, saw it, they started making friends. Hey, where are you from? We're from Ghana. They started chatting with us. We're for the World Cup. When we were there in the beginning, it's like, these people, they cannot afford this, that kind of atmosphere. Exactly. And I'm like, no, you cannot be black and be poor.
Amen.
Never.
I believe it.
Never.
Jesus.
Never. Because the way your other brethren have gone to wash toilets,
Jesus.
clean the floor, they've gone themselves for $300 to be cleaning, to be following people, to be pushed, to be humiliated. So when they see you, they think you are like everybody. Wow. But today, listen.
Oh, Jesus.
Don't worry, cool down for this one.
Exactly.
This one is personal matter.
I'm here.
I want to prophesy upon some people. I want to make it personal.
Oh, Jesus.
Wherever you are, you will be the black man.
Amen.
That when you walk out in town,
Jesus.
you will demonstrate the true capacity of the black man.
Jesus.
It will not be an explanation of slavery. It will not be a thing of poverty.
Jesus.
It will not be a thing of needy.
Jesus.
But it will be a thing of that which God has ordained.
Jesus.
A thing of financial excellence. A thing of financial grace. In the mighty name of
Jesus Christ.
now.
I receive it.
Cool down.
My Jesus.
If you walk there by looking at your face, the person already thinks you're a thief. Some of you, haven't you realized when you go to malls and everything abroad, you will see how some people are just following you everywhere. When you move, they move. Then they move back, then they move. Then they are just looking at you. When you are walking straight, then they are like, They are just watching you. Everybody is in the mall shopping. Only when they see you alone, they are opening their eyes. Because you see, it is not just your fault. Because some of your people went there, they were slaves, they were cleaners, and they accepted $300. Listen to me. Your first job in America will be in the 10,000s. It will be in the 20,000s. It will be in the 50,000s. The Lord is about to make a difference with you. You will not be a black man that humiliates your race in the mighty name of
Jesus Christ. I receive it. I come.
Listen,
From my Father.
somebody is there. Like, man, I'm going to Qatar. What are you going to do? They said they have nanny job there. I said, listen to me.
Jesus.
Use it to sell pancake.
Wow.
Faton in Kati cake. I said, use it to sell plantain chips. Many people ran there, they came back with nothing. Many people went to many places to go and slave themselves. They came back to nothing. It is the blessings of the Lord that maketh man rich. It is not by the country, it is not by the location. If you have the capacity, you will achieve it in the mighty name of
Jesus Christ.
Listen,
From my Father.
you have a country.
My God.
You have gold fields everywhere. Even your grandfather's land, there is gold on it. And you are running to another person's country to go and clean their toilets. Are you all right? We want to deal with spiritual matters.
Bless you, Papa.
Yes, listen. There is a level you will reach in life. You will never understand spiritual things. Yes, one man told me plainly. He said, you will never understand spiritual things until you open a company. And I was like, yeah, that's why the national service children don't understand it. That's why, no, they will never understand it. National service. They never understand it. So when you open company, he said, you'll be an unbeliever. He said, man of God, me. I don't go to church, but some days I'll wake up at midnight and take my Bible and be looking for prayer topic. He said, for my company to work, he said, I almost became a pastor. I said, you speak truth.
Exactly.
He said, that's why like, things are not the way they explain to you different, but they look very different. They said, one person will come to you and be discussing. He said, hey, when is your containers coming? You tell them, oh, by 26th. By the time you realize 6 months, the container will never come. This problem will happen, then everything will go down like, what's going on here? Then, they will go and meet, maybe they are doing a business. Somebody will say, oh, do you know that I sell the same thing you are selling? They will have a nice conversation like friends. Change contact. When it goes, problem will happen. Everything will go down. He said, when he started going into prayer, then he began to dream and see the things that were happening. And they said, Papa, the competition there, it's not a joke.
Oh, Jesus.
And I said, listen, don't sit down until your company is collapsing and you are screaming. Timeline. Come and check my timeline. No. You need to defend territories. Amen. That which you have, you will defend it.
Amen.
Oh, I see millionaire.
Amen.
I see black people that will change the narrative.
Amen.
Oh, if you are here looking to go to Qatar and those places to go and humiliate yourself, you are not among. I'm not praying for you. You are not the one I'm talking about. When I say traveling doors, I'm not talking about those that are going to mop the floor. No. I'm talking about those that are going to dominate.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm talking about those that will go and make a big name so that anybody that goes anywhere, they will look at them and then remember.
Oh, Jesus.
Yes. Sometimes when you say you are from Ghana, their names they'll mention. Yes. Because those people did not go and humiliate themselves. They went there to stand tall. And today I want to tell you something. Anybody enslaving themselves to some Arabs, to some this thing, I want you to get up from where you are and leave that place. Your hometown farm is better. I'm telling you. So some of you go and enslave yourself, still come back with nothing. Nothing. Leave it and come. Ghana is about to become better. And it also depends on me and you too. Yes. Yes. Because some people have to just leave those countries. Not just live there and come. You are pushing some people's babies, and then they'll just be insulting you, black man. So when they see another black man, they will not respect them. These days, when they repatriate somebody pregnant, the president wants to repatriate their people too. Tell they did it to Israel. They learn the hard way. South Africa, they will learn the hard way.
Amen.
Yes.
Amen.
Everybody that does, now that is boot for boot.
My father,
We will stay in our country.
surely.
Until you learn to love your country.
My God.
You will never understand.
Oh, Jesus.
And there's one thing that I'll talk about too. But I'll talk about that another time. Because some of the Ghana people here, they are wicked. Do you know that hotels in Ghana are not meant for Ghanaians? Sure. Hotels are $300, $400 and things. So in Ghana here, hey.
My God.
Go to Aqua Safari and check. I'm not fighting somebody's company, but it's too much.
Google it.
How much do we make in Ghana?
Let's have it, sir.
What is our salary? What is our salary? Somebody does. Listen, I was there. There was something that we went to play a game. We were shooting laser tag.